So let's take a quick look at Kucoin token listing opportunities, guys. I'm going to give you a breakdown about how to take advantage of these and how to go about it. Now, this is one key feature we've been using, we've been maximizing or benefiting from on the Kucoin platform. Now, this gives you an opportunity to get into or to be an early investor into cryptocurrencies. And you know the crypto assets are usually very volatile. They could appreciate in value between the shortest possible time, and also there's also the potential of them losing that value also. So you want to be aware of this. But most of the times, when new tokens are being listed, they usually appreciate in value for a long period of time until maybe they might retrace a little bit. But those who are usually the early investors, they eventually will always still be in profit. Now, this is one key feature you want to know. Now, for users who are interested in this basic opportunity, you want to know the basic step. Now, one of the basic tip you need to know is to understand the projects that you're currently looking at investing. Now, on the Kucoin platform, Kucoin is currently one of the world's, is currently the number one altcoin exchange in the crypto space. So it's currently ranked at about the top five in the crypto space. We have a lots of tokens being listed. So on CoinMarketCap, you can see it's currently the top five with a good number of liquidity and daily traded volume. Now, on the crypto space or top cryptocurrency exchanges, you can see there are about 309 listed. So for KuCoin to be among the top five just shows you that there are lots of opportunities that KuCoin has in store for its users. So you want to be able to take advantage of this. Now, looking at the KuCoin platform for you to get started, I will drop in a link in the description of this video. All you need to do is to click on the link, is our affiliate link. It takes you directly, or it has the potential of giving you up to $500 worth of bonus. You click on the link, it's going to take you directly to the KuCoin homepage where you'll be required to put in your registration details, email address or phone number to verify your account, complete your KYC, and you're good to go. Now, you need to fund your account once you're successfully registered. Fund your account using the fast trade option. You can use your MasterCard or SEPA. You can do peer-to-peer transfer or transactions, or you can also do third-party transactions to fund your account. So you need some amount of assets or funds in your wallet to be able to make to purchase or to be able to buy some of these tokens that will be listed. Now, once you've done that, you want to navigate over to this menu that talks about the news, the KuCoin news website. Although on the home page you still get access to see some basic information, or you can click on this icon here to take you directly to the news option. On the KuCoin news portal, that is where you can now get access to see the list of tokens that will be listed on a regular basis. So it's a calendar of listings. So you want to look out for this calendar of listings. There are latest promotions and other announcements being done. But for this one, you can see we have Optimism, which is currently one of the latest one that will be listed. Then we also have rare ball shares. Then we have super rare balls. Then you can also see Luna. Luna was listed. Now for Luna, you want to check the time frame between when Luna was listed on individual exchanges, and you get to find out that KuCoin was is one of the first platforms that this Luna 2.0 was being listed on. So most users were able to take advantage of it when it got listed in on other exchanges. So for users who bought at a cheap price, I think Luna is currently at $10. It's currently at $10 in the KuCoin Spot Exchange. So for users who were able to take advantage of this, who were able to buy in early, they should be in a profit. Or users who were able to buy at about $5 or $4 or $3. So I saw lots of people who bought at about that $3 or more. So it's currently listed in Luna 2.0 is currently now listed in other exchanges. Now you want to be aware that this is an advantage that you could take advantage of. Now on my wallet here, you can see we have we have some funds in our wallet, some assets in our wallet. We currently hold some amounts of Luna tokens, as well as there's one called the Origami token, which was listed some while back. We did a live video on our YouTube channel, so you can check out that live video. Origami or PLY tokens did up to 2x, or was we saw it did do up to 2x after it was listed. So these are some advantages. So if you are a user who wants to benefit in the crypto space, this is one opportunity you need to look into. Now, KuCoin is the people's exchanges because it has a very beginner friendly interface, and it's are very, very useful to both beginners and pro traders. So they usually find it very helpful. So since we have some amount of tokens, we have about USDT in our trading account, or you can transfer funds to your main account to get started. Now, you also want to take note of the projects you're investing in. So you want to know how the use cases of the project, the founders behind the project, and the current possibilities of this project being a not being a scam, or the current possibilities of this project giving you good returns. So that is one key feature you need to look into. Now we're going to look into some basic examples within some tokens that have been listed on Kucoin some while back. Now we have ApeCoin. ApeCoin was listed some while back, and the good thing about KuCoin is the fact that they do drop materials or beneficial articles on their website, on their blog, to inform their users or their community about certain projects, so they can be enlightened. So instead of you to go elsewhere to get this information, you can always get them directly on the KuCoin platform, where they can easily streamline it to suit your needs. Now, on here you can learn about what ApeCoin is. Now, basically, for users who don't know or users who are aware, ApeCoin is basically one of the world's leading NFT based token projects. Now, the NFT itself, which is a coin from the Bored APH Club, is one of the leading NFT projects in the crypto space, and has sold for as much as millions of dollars as well as thousands of dollars. Now, they even did lots of airdrop. So this is one reason why most users even bought this token, because the founders or the team behind the project are very solid. So you want to look into that. You want to make your own research and make sure you're investing in projects that are very solid, with good team, good social media following, and more. Now, crypto Twitter also helps a lot. It helps you show you or gives you an overview of what to know. Then also we also have all you need to know about trendy stepping token, which is a move to earn game-based project. So you want to look into the utilities of this project. Now, as of recording, we have the Web3, which is currently in vogue, then also play to earn games. Now, Step-in is one of the latest entrants in the buzzing Web3 space, namely the freestyle lifestyle category. It merges the power of social media with play to earn and more. Now, you can read more about Step-in app. Step-in gives users the opportunity to earn by moving or earn by performing certain tasks in the platform. So you can see the founders and you can see the launch date. It raised about $5 million. You can see the history of the project, and you can see how the ATH it did. So when it did launch, you can see how the price skyrocketed. It went from $0.5 to about $3. So if you had invested, let's say that's about 6x, or that's about 10x of your investment. So if you're an early investor, you are able to take advantage of this opportunity. Now, these are some of the basic benefits you get on the KuCoin platform. There are also other ways for you to participate in being an early investor in the KuCoin exchange, but these are some of the ones you want to look into. Now, going over to the KuCoin trade menu. The KuCoin trade menu, you can easily access, or you can easily buy any of these tokens. Right here on my screen, we have Luna. So users who want to still purchase, they can also purchase. But basically, this video is not a financial advice, it's only meant for educational purposes. So just giving you a good overview of how most new listings do, and some basic tips of how you can take advantage of these token listings opportunities. Now, you want to be aware that cryptocurrency trading in particular has its own risk. So you want to be aware that you are investing only what you can afford to lose. Now, I'm going to show you guys on my mobile devices how to go through with using the KuCoin platform, how to access the token listing function on your mobile devices. So whether you are a desktop user, you can also, whether you're a mobile phone user, you can also access it using your mobile devices. So now let's go. Yeah, on the mobile app, you get access to the new listings on the home page. So on the home page, you can easily click on it. So you can easily click on it. So here we have You can see the icon for new listings. All you need to do is just click on the icon and it will take you directly to the list of listings available on the Kucoin platform. Now you want to keep an eye on it to see the individual days for the tokens. Now you can see the trends currently, which this is very helpful for beginners. So as a beginner, you want to see the trend. Now this should show you that you have for GameFi, you can see it shows about 23. Which is good for gods. Then for metaverse we have 14. It shows you the list of projects with their trends and how their current ratings. Now for GameFi and Web3, they are currently rated one of the highest, while for metaverse are still okay too. Now you can see the hot tokens that are currently, we have Aurora, Dusk, DG, and more. We have 50, EPK, Mbox. These are some of the tokens that have been listed. Then you can also see the new ones. You can see Luna is currently has done about 1,800%, guys, which is very massive, guys. Then we have secret token. We have the Luna 1.0 or the default Luna. We have a store. We have Akahilz. So all you need to do is just to keep an eye on these individual projects. You can click on anyone to see the list of these tokens and their current arrival. You can also search up for the individual days. Let's say for the upcoming days, you want to search up those days to see the tokens that will be listed. Now we have ROBS here, rare ball shares is going to be launched, or the listing is going to start. Users can now trade on it from 10 UTC June 1st. Then this one is for June 1st 8 UTC. So you want to keep an eye on the time. So immediately it gets launched, you want to jump on it and start trading on it. Now the issue price is going down $0.04, and you want to make research to know if this token is unique enough for you to invest your money. Now for this, you want to know that this is the Reb or ROBS. Kickstarter is a community driven by Metaverse, created by Metaland. So you can check out the official website. You can also check out the white paper. You can also look at their social media handles to see how active they are. Now I'm just going to click on the social media handle. Let's click on it. It's going to take us directly to see how the social media handle is, how active their following is. So I'm going to click on it. I think it's going to show us. This is their official official page. So you want to look at what others are currently saying about it. Twitter is one of the best places for you to learn about crypto, as it has lots of crypto updates, and crypto Twitter is very beneficial. So you want to keep an eye on this. So this is some way to research about this project. Then you all you need to do is to be in time, and you can easily trade on it once it starts trading. So this is one of the ways to make good money on the Kucoin platform. Now you can also use CMC to research on individual projects. You can go over to CoinMarketCap if these projects are listed on CMC, although not all projects are listed here. So if, however, they are listed here, you can easily check them out. Now I'm going to search out Origami if it's here. This is one we collected. So there are some that might not be available here, so you want to look out for them. And let's say for ROBS, it's currently not here, so you want to look out for if they are here. You can also check out the co-founders, people behind the project, and more. Then also Kucoin also has their YouTube channel where they usually drop updates, or they drop beneficial reviews on some of these projects that are being listed that they are currently. So I'm going to show you guys that. You can see Kucoin here. We have deep diving, which was listed a while back. Want to follow up to subscribe to the your YouTube channel. We'll also try as much as possible to drop lots of updates too for you guys, so you can see some reviews are being done on tokens, guys. So this is it, guys. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. One love, thanks for watching, and you can easily trade any of these tokens as much as possible. You can easily trade any of these tokens. Now for Luna, all you need to do just click on the buy option and you can easily buy. Now we've bought KCS already, and you can if you want to invest in Luna, you can do that. For PLY, you can also do that, but just make your own research, and that's how easy it is to go about it, guys. One love, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let us know. Peace out, guys.